back on my vlog and shit. Feel me though? So I ain't even tripping. You feel me? So hey, nigga, you either get here on the motherfucking on the up and up, or you know what I'm saying, you let that thrash hit that chin. You feel me? Bow. Nah, just playing. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy King of Kings, man. First name, last name, and hey, pop my collar. You know what I'm saying? So, nigga, I ain't gonna lie, the quality excellent, bro. Excellent. Yeah, I ain't gonna cap. Got my dog with me, feel me? Got my dog with me. Alright. So on the contrary, we got I gotta be to work. So I'm basically just making a video just to make a video because who knows, man? And then I wanted to test out the camera as well, so you know, I got me a new and improved quality of sound for the oh me. Stupid. We ain't working out today. Fuck that. We ain't doing that. You know? But yeah, I can teach y'all how to do the clock real quick, like AO and TAO. You know what I'm saying? It's much easier once you learn on your own everything that you want to learn. So, with that being said, do like this, L, and then with the same L on, you go under, and then you just rotate. Bounces back, boom, 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 boom. First day, bit. See what I'm saying? So, that's how you do that. Nigga, I just taught you in 2 minutes, man. Feel me? I literally just taught you in 2 minutes. That's crazy because in those same 2 minutes, you could be like, commenting, and subscribing, and what you want to see next, and you know what I'm saying? Turn on the bell so you won't miss a episode, nigga, because, hey, I'm always doing something, my boy. Hold on, I'm gonna get back right here with y'all. But so yeah, that's how you do the clock. And I'm going to title this title as how to do the clock tutorial because some of y'all don't know that being very aware of every skill set is a matter of, okay, let me learn something new. You gotta learn something new every day. Put your foot out there. Nigga, take a risk. Take a branch. Hold up. Branch. Into many other branches to get that branch. Feel me? Because you're the branch of the source, my nigga. So, just how you would think. First name, last name, I'm been that bitch, man. King of Kings, man. Lie way. Let me chill out. Feel me?